So beautiful. This trail doesn't get ridden. It doesn't get ridden nearly enough. We might be some of the first to come ride it this season because we had such a good snow year. It's got kind of everything back about a month behind schedule as far as things melting. But this is one of the less traveled trails here.
See how there's the fork right here? What we want to do is keep people up on the upper fork with this, because on the lower fork it takes you down closer by the river, and you'll see the trail has kind of sloughed off. And what we don't want to have people do is slough off and crash down in the river and get hurt by nailing that tree. So Tyler and I are going to spend just a minute or two here, well, a few minutes here, and put kind of make it an easy marker so that people know not to drop down onto this lower trail, just to take the higher little cut around that for safety, because we don't want people dropping down into that hole or possibly even tagging that tree as they wash their front tire off. So what we're trying to do here is just make the trail a little bit safer. This is a forest approved trail. It's been here for a long time, but now the trail has gotten cut away right there, eroded off, and so we want to keep people up on the higher side of this thing for safety.
This is trail maintenance.
Yeah, be responsible.
So this is the best chainsaw we have with us. But dirt bikers are out here clearing trails. So thanks to all the people out there that do this. Keep it open for everybody as we open up these trails in the spring.
We could easily go around right here, but take 5 minutes.
Clear this out.
Clear it out, and then keep the original trail nice and clean.
Yep. You want me to spell you off? We were just doing a little trail maintenance back there, cutting a tree out. We don't have a chainsaw with us, but Tyler has a little, 6-7 inch hand saw. Because this is one of those off the beaten path trails. There is a trail here, though. It's just very faint. Trail maintenance.
Dude, no one's been riding this, and this is the problem Shane was talking about. No one's going to the mountains yet because you can't get very high, and so down low has been snow free, and it's growing in because no one's riding it yet.
Yeah. Stuck on that root right there, that branch.
So this is where it disappears just for a little bit, and then you can get back on it. But
So we're gonna mark some stuff here so that there's an established trail.
yeah, so when you see something, you can start.
Yeah.
So essentially, because of all that growth, the trail was sort of lost there for about 2 blocks. So we just spent some time tying some ribbons on the trees to at least have an established route through that section to kind of reconnect it, because there's trails on both sides of it, but then right there it just disappeared because of the growth. So we were just trying to do our part and make sure that we can have a sustainable trail through that section and it doesn't just disappear for 2 blocks.
Man, this is nuts.
Why?
Everything just disappeared.
Doesn't the trail keep going right there?
No, I put those sticks there.
Oh, this is the. About lost my front wheel there. Don't want to lose the front wheel. Especially not when the hillside is this steep. This steep and rocky, because I don't want to have to bail and catapult over the right hand side of the bike. That wouldn't be fun, because there's so many freaking rocks down there that you're just gonna land on.
The last time I was here, that snow was like almost up here, and I could just hook it around. Now we're gonna have to go down and climb out.
Whoa. I wonder if there is a better way down there. Because we might get buried in that.
It's hard enough. I think we can make it. Because this snow now, it melts and freezes every night. Let's get back here in case I don't.